Hello YouTube, this is your girl Andrea Nicole, and today I am giving a hair review for you guys today on this curly wig that I am rocking. Today, I've already applied this with the Got to Be glue right at the hairline, and I did not pluck it whatsoever. As you can see, I will leave a little clip probably like right after here where I originally got the package and how it looked, the unboxing of it and everything. Please excuse the way I look. I know your girl's looking a hot mess, but I just got back from Cancun. I'm a little tired, and yeah, so wig is from Jessica Hair. I'm just gonna show the unboxing. It came in this little package, and it actually, I can't remember how long it took. Now, originally I wanted to wear this hair to Cancun, but like I said, it didn't come in time. So it came with a nail file, pink, with a fishnet stocking. The hair came to this package. And okay, it definitely smells processed. Definitely processed. I am bleaching these knots. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna bleach these knots because I can see them a little bit, but the plucking looks really good though. Like, no, like bro, the plucking. This frontal looks really, really good. And honestly, like, I was thinking I was gonna return it because I'm like, you know what? I originally ordered for Cancun and it come in time, you know, I'm just gonna get my money back. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, because I ordered it from Amazon, so I didn't know how the quality was. I was just thinking for that, you know, weekend, like, you know, for pictures, stuff like that, you know. That's the whole concept I was going for. But the plucking looks very, very good. It's like, oh my gosh, but the knots are still black, so I'm going to bleach them just a little bit. And so yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. I did bleach my knot, no plucking or whatever. I sat it on my head, or placed it on my head, and this is how it looked, like without the plucking. This is how it came out. It is big head friendly because your girl got a big head and it fit perfectly. The lace was very soft, transparent, very easy to work with. So far I don't really have any complaints on this wig. I did shampoo it when I first got it. It did stink. But of course, me having to bleach the knots, I had to shampoo and condition anyway, which I did shampoo and condition with VO5 Ultra Body shampoo and conditioner. But right after I bleached my knots, I put shimmer lights on it for about 15 minutes. Let it sit in the sink. That way, it'll get rid of that brassiness from the lace that no one likes. And yeah, let that sit, rinsed it, then shampooed and conditioned it with the VO5. So I did want to talk about the notes. This is attached to the wig when you first get it. This is by Jessica Hair. I will leave all the specs and everything down and below, the inches, the link to it, the price, everything down below. If you have not checked out my previous hair review, go ahead and check that out. I will leave that down below. And wait, before I get into it, if you ain't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you scroll down a little bit more, my social media will be linked down below. Everything that's linked down below is mine. I have nothing else outside of that. Okay. So yeah, this is how it looks after shampoo and just dry. Yeah, this is how it looks. I didn't do anything to it. I wanted to save the water bottle and the mousse for this video. So what I'm going to be putting in my water bottle is, of course, this is my spray bottle. It already has a little bit of water in it. And I'm going to be using the Dove Daily Moisture Conditioner. Mix these two together, and then I'm going to spritz my hair. Okay. So I did put on my robe because I don't want my clothes to get wet, and I'm going to spritz it. Some people like to use gel. Me personally, I do gel for if I really want them curls to sit in that one spot. But outside of that, I do not use gel. I feel like with gel, you have to like shampoo it out and do all that other stuff with the conditioner. You don't necessarily have to shampoo every time. That's just my preference. I mean, everyone, you know, to each his own, but this is what I do. Make sure I wet that really, really good to the form of curl that I like. Or like what I wanted. So now I'm done misting it. I'm going to part it so y'all guys can see how it parts and how it looks when it's parted, but I don't like to part curly hair. I really like to do kind of like the flip over method, but to each his own. Right, so I normally like deep parts, so that is the way the parting looks. I do not pluck it whatsoever. If I was going to wear a part, I probably would pluck that a little bit more, but right in this area, the middle part section, it does part 6 inches all the way straight back. Like that, but on the edges, like over here, I believe it's only 2 inches. It doesn't go deep in there, but you do have that option to wear it deeper if you wanted to. But like I said, I like the flip over method, so I'm probably just gonna wear my hair like this, no part. To me, it looks more natural like this way anyways, but yeah. And now what I'm going to do is put a little mousse in just to kind of hold that curl. When you put your mousse and gel and everything and you're going for more of a sleek look like this, I say it's sleek because it's not so dry, it's not blown out yet. You know how curly hair normally tends to fall out. This is more of a sleeker, I guess like loose curl, I guess you could say. So when you do this, you want to put your mousse in your gel and you want to refrain from combing it. When you comb it, it makes the hair go bigger. And I'm a big person that likes to put my hands in my hair, but with curly hair and you're going for more of a sleek look, you don't want to play in the curls. So, I just really got some cheap mousse. The Elastic QP, it was only $4 at my beauty supply. It has olive oil mango butter in it, so I thought it would give it a little bit of a shine. Curly hair tends to look more dry. And when I do this, I just put a little bit of mousse in my hand. And I call this like the drop curl method, and you'll see what I mean. So when I say drop curl, I literally go in and I crunch it up like that. You know, have the curls up, drop. That's why I call it the drop curl, but you know, you get the picture. So I just put that in there and put a little bit more on the other side. And also the top, because I like, you know, this is much harder to do this on camera than to like, my mirror is like right there, but still like the camera is closer. So I'm having to look in this little small camera. I'm like, eh. But it's popping though, like, it's fucking popping. Excuse my French. But it's popping, y'all. And then lastly, I'm going to put a little bit at the top just to kind of tame that down a little bit, because you don't want it like, you know, poofy at the top and then, you know, at the bottom all sleek. Gotta make everything look the same, baby. Gotta make everything look the same. Ooh. Like, when I tell y'all this frontal melted, like, this is probably like one of the best wigs I've ever gotten, only because I had to do very minimal. Of course, I bleached my knots. That's because that was my preference. I didn't have to bleach the knots. It didn't look bad if I didn't bleach the knots, but I wanted it a little bit more seamless. I didn't want to have to go through and put concealer on my wig. So to cut back from that, I just bleached the knots, and I'm glad I did because it looked good. But like I said, it's your preference. If you don't want to bleach your knots, don't bleach your knots. Just use a little concealer, a little powder, should I say, and you know, powder that lace in, honey. You don't have to bleach your knots if you're not comfortable, okay? There's ways around it. But this wig, when I tell you, very minimum. I didn't have to do too much to this wig, and it is popping. Like, I'm done for the day. I put my conditioner and my mousse in, and guess what? I'm ready to go. Like, I'm ready. That's how it looks in the back. Take this off now because I am done with it. This is, I can't remember all the specs. I believe this is 150 density, but I could be wrong. But I will leave all that down below. Thank you guys for watching. I did not want to make this video super long because this is just a straight unboxing. I have not had time to wear this wig, so I cannot really give my full review on this. So expect a part 2 within the next couple weeks on this wig. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.